Hey Bobcats, today we are going to warm up by writing two metaphors. So, this week we have been talking a lot about finding success through overcoming failure. And so that's kind of what we're going to continue focusing on as we are beginning to write our essays this week. So, today I want you to practice writing two metaphors for me. And you can see that the first one is a metaphor about failure. So remember that a metaphor is when you compare two things, not using like or as. So I know that a lot of you probably can think of some really creative metaphors, but if you need a little bit of extra help, you can see that I have included four different gifts for you today. If you're having a hard time thinking about like what can I compare failure to, you can use one of the gifts that I have, but you've got to find a way to really link those together. So you're going to say failure is a blank because blank. So an example that I might use, in fact, in my example writing that I show you guys this week, it's the metaphor that I use. I say failure is like a mountain because when you're climbing a mountain, it feels like it just keeps going and going, and that you're never going to reach the top, and you're wondering, is the end going to be worth it? But when you actually do reach the top of your hike on this mountain, the reward that you get from this amazing view is completely worth it. And you're glad that you went through the whole process, right? So that's kind of a lengthy, extended metaphor there. But I want you to maybe think of how failure is like skydiving, or the seasons changing, or running this long marathon, or you can see our friend in number 4 that is hitting this brick wall, and there's almost this explosion. So make a comparison and tell me why. Your next metaphor today is kind of on the flip side. You're going to be looking at success. So I've given you again 4 gifts. The first one, there's confetti, there's a trophy. She's obviously winning some sort of an award. I have fireworks up in the sky. I've got these 2 fellas in number 3 that have won the lottery, and then this rainbow here for number 4. So you can tell me how success is comparable to one of these things, and then explain, make that connection for me. Or you can come up with your own connection to success and something else. So take a minute, please write my 2 metaphors, and hopefully this will kind of help your essay take off here in a little bit when we get ready to start our introductions.